everyone and welcome to today's video. So today I'm doing a comparison, battle of the mineral powders. I'm doing the difference between BareMinerals Original and Lolo Mineral Foundation. So I've got one on one side and one on the other side. And we're going to see which is better. First of all, I'm going to read a little bit about each one so you have an idea, and then we'll go on to the demo. So I'm going to start off with Lolo Mineral Foundation. This is quite a prolific brand actually. I've heard a lot about it, but I've never really tried anything. What I like about them is they've got refill sachets, sample jars, and a jar of, I've got the sample size, but a normal jar will be 10 grams. I've got the shade Cookie. Now what it says: a bestseller since the very beginning of our iconic mineral foundation, creates a base that looks and feels your best ever skin. Finely milled mineral pigments that effortlessly buff for a flawless finish. Made from all naturally, completely clean ingredients. Great for sensitive skin and blemish prone skin. So the ingredients. Now bear in mind, remember BareMinerals has 5 ingredients. This also has 5 ingredients. It's vegan friendly. It's got mica zinc oxide, titanium oxide, dioxide, iron oxide, and maybe it's got mica zinc oxide, and then in brackets it's got titanium dioxide, and then it's got iron dioxide. I think it's only got 4 ingredients in. Look it up, I'm not a scientist. That's the ingredients. Lockable sift SPF 15, contains light reflecting mica, perfect for minimizing blemishes and fine lines. High performance and water resistant. Oil free, suitable for all skin types. Active antibacterial ingredients. Interesting. Vegan friendly, used with a super kabuki brush for flawless application. Non-comedogenic. Okay, and I've got the shade Cookie, which is medium neutral undertone. Right, let's have a look at the original. So the original foundation, lightweight skin improving mineral foundation that provides buildable to full coverage with a luminous finish, made with 5 clean ingredients, vegan ingredients, talc free, clearer looking skin, provides all day coverage, minimises look of pores, promotes clearer, healthier skin over time, won't clog pores, cause breakouts or settle into fine lines. So it's formulated without fillers and binders, same as Lolo. SPF 15. Right. Formulated without parabens, formaldehyde, gluten, synthetic fragrance, PEGs and more. At BareMinerals we have restricted over 2,500 ingredients, including the 1,400 plus banned in the EU. It's the Allure Reader's Choice Awards Best Clean Foundation. Interesting. Let's have a look at the ingredients. So they've got titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. It's responsibly sourced mica and bismuth oxychloride. Provides a luminous finish, iron oxides, mineral-based pigments, and natural-looking coverage. So it has similar ingredients. The only thing that the Lolo doesn't have is bismuth. Now that bismuth is what causes some people to feel a bit itchy with BareMinerals. I think that's the difference there. This has got titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Lolo's got zinc oxide, it's got mica, it's also got titanium oxide and iron oxide, and the original also has titanium dioxide, zinc oxide, mica as well. But it's got the bismuth oxychloride, so I wonder what that does. Let's Google bismuth oxychloride and see what that is. I can't even speak. Bismuth oxychloride is a fine powder ingredient in mineral makeup with a pearlescent appearance and texture that adheres to the skin. So that's what gives Original the sheen. And someone said, is bismuth oxychloride bad for skin? It says this ingredient is often used in mineral makeup formulations because it gives a pearlescent sheen to the skin. Unfortunately, for those with sensitive skin, acne and or rosacea, bismuth oxychloride can aggravate and irritate the condition. It can also enlarge pore size permanently. Oh, okay. So far, based on my comparisons here, the Lolo is looking pretty good. And it doesn't have a sheen to it. It's got a soft matte finish. That's very interesting. Okay, right. I think you're bored of my blurbs now. Let's go on to the demonstration. Which one do you think is which? Which side do you think is better? Which one do you prefer? Have you tried both? Let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe if you're new or you haven't already. Hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Good morning everyone and welcome to today's video. So I had a brilliant idea to test out both BareMinerals and Lolo and see what the difference is, because somebody asked me about Lolo and I remembered I had a little sample of it, and I think I spoke about it in my previous video. So before I finish this sample, I thought let's do a little comparison, what the differences are. Now, I wore my BareMinerals yesterday and I really enjoyed it, so I'd quite like to see what the difference is. So I'm going to put BareMinerals Original on this side, Lolo on this side. So let's start off with BareMinerals. I've got the original Medium Beige, and I'm gonna tap in what they say, cinnamon and a latte, about that much. I'm going to use a beautiful finish face brush, and I'm going to, this sound, isn't that so nostalgic? Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, I'm going to swirl. Give it a good swirl. Tap. And I'm going to buff on this side. I'm going to start on the outside. Now, sometimes BareMinerals is hit and miss, isn't it? Because you feel like you're not getting coverage, but just be patient with it because it slowly but surely will give you coverage. Okay, that's one sprinkle of BareMinerals and one layer. Let's go in with another. Same amount. We're swirling, we're tapping, and we're buffing. So this is the second layer, right? And you can see now, already with this second layer, that it's starting to build some colour. Can you see the difference there? And this is the thing. I think people get really impatient, me myself, when we go in with one layer and we're like, what's going on? There's no coverage. Why isn't this working? I need to put more on. But if we take a light amount and just gently buff in and do it in stages, you then will get what you need. So, here comes Bertie scratching on the door. This is BareMinerals, Medium Beige on this side. Okay? It's not massive amounts of coverage, but I think we're used to a lot of amounts of coverage, especially me. So when we put less on, we feel a little bit, but once it settles, it's quite nice. So what do you think? It's quite luminous. It's very skin-like. But you can see that there's something on. Okay, right, we're gonna go in with Lily Lolo on the other side. I'm gonna decant it into a mineral veil lid because I'm not gonna be able to get my brush in this. This is the shade Cookie. I think it's very comparable to Medium Beige. It's a very neutral tone. It's more neutral. Same brush. We're gonna swirl. Tap. And we're gonna buff. Okay. I can see why people get, you know, like my face starts to go really red because I'm buffing and it stresses me out. I'm like, oh my God. But going in the second layer. Okay. That seems to be going on a bit better. That's the trick, I think. It's 2 layers. You need to do 2 light layers. Okay. It looks quite similar, doesn't it? It really looks really similar. The colour, if you've Medium Beige and you want to try Lily Lolo, the Cookie's a good colour. A very good colour. Keep buffing. Keep buffing. Oh my God, who's screaming now? Hold on a minute. Right, okay, where were we? Okay, so now I've got the Lily Lolo on this side and the BareMinerals on this side. I mean, I can't tell a huge amount of difference. Can you? This is Lily Lolo, Cookie, and this is BareMinerals Medium Beige. Shh, 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 come on. What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Look, 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 look. Have to distract him from the window. I mean, from here, I'm thinking I like the BareMinerals side better. I don't know. I really can't tell the difference. I think I need to put a bit more Lily Lolo on it. I think possibly, like somebody said on my Instagram, on my YouTube comments, that the BareMinerals has better coverage. Now, she could be right, you know. I think the BareMinerals has... I think there's more luminosity on this side. I don't know. I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm going to use Summer Bisque. I was actually thinking of doing a full OG BareMinerals video, which I think I'm going to do. Like OG, you know, all the loose products. So I'm going to put my concealer on and we'll see how we go. But you know when you go through these phases where you think, or you watch BareMinerals and QVC and then you're like, oh, that's it, I want to get my BareMinerals out, you know, because it just makes you feel nostalgic, I suppose. Also, you don't want to put too much on. So this is Summer Bisque, which actually I think looks a bit drying. That's the thing. I do think this looks really drying now. Right. So, what's the conclusion? I don't think this has turned out to be a really good video, actually. I thought it was a really good idea, but I don't know where to go from here. Basically, these are the two sides, okay? Let me know what you think about the two sides. And whatever side you like, I will do a full mineral makeup video on. That makes sense, doesn't it? So far, they look pretty similar to me. It might look different when I look back on the camera, but we'll see. Let me know. I just realised I hadn't like signed off the video properly, but this is the makeup you saw at the beginning of the video, but I'm standing right in front of my window here, just so you can see it in natural light. So I've got BareMinerals on this side, give you a closer look, and Lolo on this side. Overall, it's quite a nice glowy look, isn't it? You know what I mean? It always feels like you're not getting anywhere when you're buffing the makeup in, and then suddenly, there it is, buffed in. And you feel like you've got makeup on again. You just don't think you're gonna get coverage, but the trick is to be really, really patient with it. So there we go. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.